trying to be, and that was 2018. So I'll let you decide if I succeeded or not. When Luke asked me to write, so I was overjoyed because I like to write about screens, and I get to write about a very large screen today. This is called Hearth. I am looking, I am looking, I am looking. From over your shoulder, from across the room, through an oblique vantage point, I am looking at your phone screen. I am looking as you scroll through Instagram Reels. I am looking as you text a person I can only imagine is your mother. I am looking as you laugh, react in your roommate group chat. I am looking because we share the screen. The screen is and always will be a zone of intimacy. The phone holds secrets revealed through the ordered illumination of pixels and the confused illumination of desire. The desire emerges as we press ourselves against the screen, leaning in towards our handheld devices. As film theorist Laura Mulvey argues in her essay, Visual Pleasure and Narrative Cinema, we, as viewers, are encouraged to identify with the person depicted on the screen. A Lacanian mirror dance is at play when we are entranced by the screen. For some instance, it is us that we see in the protagonist. We become the hero, the cowboy, the knight. The gaze becomes projection. The person on the screen becomes a gestalt, a self-coherent, crystallized unity which we aspire to through the slow act of increased proximity. This, alas, is a méconnaissance or misrecognition, as Lacan puts it. The screen lies, as much as it is a zone of intimacy, it is also a zone of fiction, an area of illusion. The nature of the screen changes the nature of the identification. There was only one television and one computer in the home before the turn of the millennium, in part because of the adoption curve, in part because of the cost of devices. This meant that the screen was, in the average American household before, an object to be shared. The screen was a place of congregation, a site of community, the hearth of the modern American family. Similarly, the computer screen was also a site of gathering. On weekend nights when we slept over at each other's houses, my cousins and I would take turns playing on the computer, Maple Story, World of Warcraft, Trickster Online. There's only one mouse, and we shared the screen and the one pointer. We all were watching the screen together. That was before screens got small and portable, before the screen became a private space, before the screen was privatized, and so did the process of primary identification. The beauty of the big screen, TV or theater, is the shared experience of misrecognition. In our current world of small screens, we choose our singular heroes, our own singular egos to identify with, atomized and lonely. In a way, this is a tragedy, because the communal experience of identification was a culture-building ritual. We now have 1,000 heroes with 1,000 different faces. The small screen is bad enough, but a new wall has been erected, furthering the atomization and privatization of the screen. These days, when I encounter a screen on the subway, sometimes it is covered with a privacy screen protector. Privacy screen protectors are the logical extension of the privatization, where once the screen was designed for maximum visibility, a beacon calling the family together, today the screen is engineered for opacity, for secrecy. A dim brightness, a darkened cone of vision, a technological barrier against the communal gaze. This is how the contemporary screen insists on being personal. I need screens to be huge, big, so we can watch them together. I need screens to be huge so we can rekindle the hearth's fire and snuggle together, warmed by the bright glow of the liquid crystal display. No more impediments to screen sharing. Remove your privacy screen. I'm looking. I'm looking because I want to be close to you. I'm looking because I love you.